Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best camping saw on the market for this year. First we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best camping saw. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. A great camping saw will never fail you when you're out there roughing it on your own. A camping saw needs to be consistent above all else. However, power, comfort, and portability are also important features when shopping for the best camping saw. Here's my cutting analysis on what it takes to be the best saw for camping. Number 1. Silky Professional Big Boy 2000 Folding Saw. The claim to fame with this saw is its 14.2 and curved blade that's capable of cutting through both green and dry wood. That means you're never left in the lurch if your location doesn't leave you with a choice. The two-handed rubber cushion handle is beautiful for your ergonomic enjoyment. The whole thing weighs just over 14 ounces. The 14.2 in blade on this saw has a 2000 mm radius that makes cutting your branches smooth and quick. You're getting 5 teeth per inch for a system that cuts on your pull strokes. There's also a taper ground designed to the blade to cut off friction to prevent the all too familiar problem of putting all of your energy into battling friction instead of cutting cleanly. Something that I really appreciate about this saw is that its Japanese steel blade is actually designed to be replaced fairly easily. That makes this a true lifetime saw. I personally appreciate the canary yellow blade handle on this design that makes it so much easier to spot your saw if you're cutting during twilight or evening. My one warning with this saw is that you have to make sure the screw locking the blade in place is kept right to avoid the risk of breaking your blade. Pros: very sharp, cuts through branches like butter. Ergonomic handle. Built-in friction reduction. Folds smoothly. Easy to pack. Lightweight. Cons: blade is on the thinner side. Number 2. Corona Tools 10-inch Razor Tooth Folding Saw. The 10 inches impulse-hardened steel blade on this saw is what sold me right away because I know that means that this saw is going to stay sharper longer. It features 3-sided razor teeth to produce very efficient results when cutting small to medium branches. As far as comfort, this 12-ounce saw features an ergo-friendly co-molded handle that provides an impressive grip that stays comfortable when you're holding the saw for a long time. I also appreciate how easy to latch the blade is because I'm very conscious of injury prevention when the saw isn't being used. Chrome is also used on the blade to reduce friction. Your curved, taper-ground folding blade on this saw can be replaced easily. Again, this is something that I really appreciate because I tend to purchase my gear for life. My impression of this saw is that cuts are smoother and quicker than anything you'd get with a traditional saw. The only flaw I can really spot with this design is the way that a gap is left when the saw is closed. This gap leaves the teeth slightly exposed in a way that could allow them to catch on things in your bag. The Corona folding razor tooth saw is extremely fast and efficient. Each razor tooth saw blade goes through 4 manufacturing processes for maximum durability, hardness and friction reduction. Available in a variety of blade sizes. Pros: very sharp. Cuts are beyond smooth. Ergonomic. Designed to last. Good safety features. Cons: teeth protrude slightly when closed. Handle can feel flimsy compared to the blade. Number 3. Bako 396 Laplander Folding Saw. This 7 inches blade with 7 teeth per inch can cut green wood, dry wood, plastic, and bone. The blade is coated for rust protection and low friction to reduce the odds of damaging your blade while you're having incredible adventures off the grid. The plastic handle has what I call a decent grip. I'm especially impressed with the safety lock that locks for both in-lock usage and out-lock usage. With a 9 inches length in total, this saw is hard to beat if compactness is your objective. Unlike some of the other picks on my list, this one slides into a back pocket easily. Another distinctive feature with this saw is that it features a straight blade instead of a curved blade. I'm mixed on this. Curved blades are definitely preferred when cutting branches. However, straight blades can be beautiful when you're doing any activities that require a straight cut. This isn't the fastest cutter out there. However, that's not enough to get it ruled out because I think you'll find that it handles larger diameters more easily than some competitors. From the manufacturer. Comfortable two-component handle giving an excellent grip, fast cutting in green and dry wood, plastic and bone etc. For hunters, campers etc. Safety lock in both open and closed positions, low friction rust preventive coating, spare blades available, general purpose folding saw for cutting both green and dry wood, plastic, bone etc. Specially designed for wildlife enthusiasts, hunters and campers, XT hardpoint toothing, 7 TPI. Blade specially coated for rust protection and low friction, two-component plastic handle for perfect grip, with leather strap. Safety lock, locked also when folded. Pros: great for versatile uses. Compact. Blade is coated against rust and friction. Decently ergonomic. Cons: straight blade is a mixed blessing. Not the fastest cutter. Number 4. Zippo 3-in-1 axe saw. At 2.5 pounds, this is one of my bulkier picks. However, I realize that not everyone is looking for a compact camping saw. You're getting a gorgeous 420 stainless steel axe head with a durable polymer handle that stores the saw. However, the big surprise here is that this saw isn't just a saw. Let's briefly talk tension with this design. It has a self-adjusting tension compensator to keep your blade as tight as ever while you're sawing wood. Finally, I want to highlight the safety sheath that protects the axe while also doubling as your overmold grip with slip resistance. I love the way this feature is integrated into the design to reduce bulkiness. There's actually just too much included within this saw system to cover everything in a quick review. The big takeaway when considering this saw is that it allows you to get away with purchasing a single all-in-one unit instead of lugging along individual pieces while camping. You'll definitely need to spend some time learning how to use all of the different features built into this saw before you take it out in the wild for the first time. More power with less to pack. This mighty axe saw is built to take on more. Its versatility is essential for the woods. It works as a mallet, bow saw and hatchet so you can set up camp and spend time around the fire. The axe saw easily cuts and chops branches, sticks up to 4-inch in diameter, drives 10 stakes easily with the full tang head, and is lightweight, making this a great tool while camping, at home, in the backyard, or hunting in the outdoors. The saw blade has rust and corrosion protection for long-lasting performance, and the integrated saw blade handle storage is a provided safety feature that keeps the blade safe and readily accessible. Pros: saw, mallet, axe, and shaver in one. Secure blade sheath. Uses quality stainless steel. Cons: the plastic components can feel flimsy in places. More of a camping saw than a survival tool. Grip/slip resistance on handle could be better. Number 5. Nordic Pocket Saw Pocket Chainsaw. This one really switches gears on you. This is a foldable, ultra-portable handheld chainsaw. That means that your arms are the motors. I think you'll love this option if you're looking for a saw with high packability. You also aren't reliant on batteries. This 65 centimeters chainsaw weighs just 4.7 ounces. Unlike other saws, it doesn't have a rigid shape that takes up space in a pack. The handles are made of a soft, agreeable nylon material. This saw features double cutting teeth on every single major link. What that means for you is that you're getting effective and effortless cutting in both directions. The chain is made from heat-treated carbon steel that's been engineered to be resilient in harsh conditions. There are so many ways to carry this manual chainsaw around. It comes with a case that can be worn on your belt, tucked away in a backpack, or fastened under a snowmobile. My only word of caution with this saw is that you need to keep tabs on it at all times because the teeth are very sharp. Unlike other options that fold into themselves when you're done, this one leaves you with a naked chain of teeth to put away. Nordic Pocket Saw produces effective and compact hand saws for outdoor enthusiasts with a passion for adventures. We know when bringing survival saws with you on your adventures puts high demand in packability and weight, yet without compromise with performance and quality. Nordic Pocket Saw takes pride in developing high-quality bushcraft saws, and it is with confidence we onward aim to be an essential tool in any outdoor kit. Pros: highly portable. Strong cutting power. Nylon grips are very comfortable. No reliance on batteries. Cons: requires manpower to work. Requires extra safety care because you have a naked link with very sharp teeth. Cutting through the hype on the best camping saw. It's a great day if you're looking for a good camping wood saw because today's brands are really at the top of their game. While I covered a few different saw styles, I have to say that focusing on the best folding saw for camping is my advice if you're looking for ease and versatility. That's why the Silky Big Boy 2000 folding saw is my overall winner among all camping saws. It doesn't get better than this saw's 14.2 and curved blade that cuts through both dry and green wood like magic. The cushion handle offers smart ergonomics that can prevent pain and strain. What's more, this saw is more than portable enough for the average camper. I hope this rundown helped you cut through the noise of camping saw reviews to find an option that fits your needs. My final piece of advice is to shop for the camper you are instead of the camper you think you're supposed to be. What I mean is that it's fine to shop for a simple saw that's just going to help you get some kindling if that's all you really need.